if the word gets me where I'm supposed to be, will I know I've made it then? It's so hard. So can we skip to the good part?